Hi there, I'm Craig with Black Anvil Digital Foundry, here to demonstrate my latest and most complex Shopify customization to date. Shopify by default does not allow for partial units to be sold. And the reason for that is, for example, you typically cannot buy half a t-shirt or 3/4 of a bracelet, which doesn't compute, right? However, there are merchants who are interested in selling products by bulk unit measurements instead of single units. And what I mean by that would be, for example, selling by the milligram in weight, or selling by ounces, or in this particular case, selling by length measurements. And we're dealing with fabric. And so the client was interested in being able to sell fabric in half-meter increments, units. And so there's no way to do this in Shopify with any theme out of the box. It involves quite a bit of a deep dive into customizations. And so I'm going to demonstrate what I've done. So you see, this is the client's website, and I'm going to first show you a product as it appears out of the box with no customization. So we have this black color running material of floral design. It's being sold in Indian rupees, 180 rupees by the meter. But out of the box, Shopify will only allow you to increment units by the full unit. So here we're at 3 units. We hit the plus button and it moves up to 4, and so on. And same with going down. Okay, so let's say that's fine. Maybe a customer wants to buy 2 units of fabric, so they add it to the cart. And in the cart, as we'll see here, you can still adjust that before actually going to checkout and purchasing. However, only in full meter increments. Okay, so now I'm going to continue shopping and go back to the home page and open up a test product that I set up with a certain tag attached to it that tells the customized theme that it's being sold by the half meter instead. And so I will click on this bulk test product, and you'll see, first of all, our quantity selector is now showing a customized unit of measurement in meters, and the customer wanted a minimum of 1 meter sold at a time. Okay, so it doesn't start at 0.5, but now if we hit the plus button to increase our unit, it increases by half-meter increments instead of full meter. So let's say we want to buy 2.5 meters. I'll add that to the cart, and here it is. Right above our default product without the customization, we now have our 2.5 meters. And in the cart, we can also adjust that quantity by the half meter. So I'm moving down from 2.5 to 2 meters, and then from 2 meters to 1.5 meters. And if we open up the full cart view, we'll get a better visual of this, sort of side by side or one above the other. We have our test product that is fully functional, measuring our price in meters, but being sold by the half meter. So I can move it up to 2 meters, and our price increases as it should from 180 double to 360 rupees. If I add another half meter, it should add another 90 rupees to make it 450. And I'll just remove our default product since we don't want to buy that. And we got 450 total rupees buying 2.5 meters of fabric. And if I go to checkout, the final test, there it is, 450 rupees. So again, not a feature that's available in any Shopify theme out of the box, something that have to be very deeply customized, but something that I'm very happy to do. So if you're interested in this type of customization or any type of customization for your store, please get in touch and let's talk it over, and I'll see what I can do for you. Thanks for your time.